consider this very question, Waec 1997, question 8. And we are to solve for x and y in this pair of equations, that is simultaneous equation. Okay, we want to see how we can really determine these two values. Okay, we have the first one, log s base 10 plus log y base 10 equal 4. Now, looking at this equation, it is not balanced. I need to balance it. I have to introduce the log of base 10 on the right hand side. And still looking at the left hand side, we have an addition connecting it. I can maintain the log of base 10. I will then multiply, become sy. Okay, because addition gives multiplication. While on this part, I will have 4 log. We will have 4 log 10 base 10. Please don't forget that. Log 10 base 10 will give you 1. 1 times 4 is 4. Okay, I can take this one up. If, for example, we have it here, 4 was here, I can take it back under change of power. Now that we have it at the back, I will take it up. Here become log s y to the base of 10 equal log 10 power 4 to the base of 10. Now we can cancel out the logarithm of this 10 because we have it on the both sides of the equation. Now the amount we have left is now sy equal 10 power 4. And 10 power 4 simply means 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. And when you multiply it, you are going to have 10,000. That is 4 zeros. We're having 4 zeros. Okay? Now I can make this one equation 1. Equation 1. Now we have to consider the second equation, and of course we have that log s is 10 plus log, that is 2. We have it as 2 log y is 10 equal 3. Here is y. Please take note of here. Here is y to the base of 10. Okay, we can change the position of these two. We can change the position of the 2 here. Okay, I have to take it to the top the way I did here. Okay, here we still have log s is 10 plus. Okay, taking it up, I'll have log y squared to the base of 10 equal, here it is not balanced. I need to balance it the way I did to this one. We have to consider the base. We are working with this 10, log of this 10. We have to introduce the log of this 10 on this very part. I will now have it as 3 log 10 base 10. Log 10 base 10 will give us 1, and 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, for here, I can, at this very point, I can maintain the log of base 10 and then multiply because of this addition. I will now have sy squared equal, this very one I can take it to the top. I will now have log 10 power 3 to the base of 10. Okay, we still have an equal base, logarithm of base 10 on both sides of the equation. I can eliminate. Now what is left there is now sy squared equal 10 power 3. And 10 power 3 simply means 10 times 10 times 10. And it will give, gives 1,000. I can make this one equation 2. Okay? I can say now from equation 1, form equation 3. Now, what's equation 1? Here, I can make one of these the subject. I can make x the subject, or I can make y the subject. Okay, let me make x the subject. If I make x the subject, I have to divide both sides by y. Okay, divide here by y, I will have x. Divide here by y, I will have 10,000 over y. I will make this one equation 3. I'll make it equation 3. Now, we have not touched equation 2. I will have to put equation 3 into equation 2. It means that wherever I have s, I will have to put this one there. That is to say 10,000 over y. So let me now substitute now. Putting it into equation 2, I have 10,000 over y. I'll have to close the bracket. Okay, we have y squared divided 1 equal 1,000. Okay, now remember here we have y squared. We have y squared, that is y times y. Mean that y here can get rid of one y here. Here will be left with just y. Okay, if we cancel out this very part, y cancel out one of the y here, I'm going to have 10,000. I'm going to have 10,000 y because I've still be left y here. Okay, equal 1,000. Now we are looking for y. Divide both sides by 10,000. And when we do that, we are going to have 1,000 divide 10,000. It means that 0 can key 0, 0 can key 0, and this 0 can key 0. What is now left is now 1 over 10. And this 1 over 10, we can put it in exponential form. Exponential form. Okay, if you now give a negative exponent, that is to say y is equal 10 power minus 1. Okay, since we have determined y, we can determine x. I can put this very value, this value of y into equation 1 or equation 2, into this very part, or into equation 2. I will still get my answer. Okay? I will still get my answer. Or better still, if I still put it here, I can still get my answer into equation 3. But let me not make use of equation 1. But on your own, you can make use of any of the equation, either 1, 2, or 3. On your own, you can do that. But let me choose equation 1. I want to substitute into equation 1. And equation 1 there is xy. Xy equal 10,000. Okay? And what is y? And y is simply 1 over 10. You know that together I will have to introduce a bracket. Okay? In between we have times. Bracket also with times. Okay? I will now have 10,000. Okay? Now, here is simply times. Okay? It simply means x over 1 times 1 over 10. And when you multiply it, you're going to have s times 1 is s, 1 times 10 is 10. Okay, it means that for this part here, for this very part, this one, we are going to have s over 10 equal 10,000. Okay, I can make here over 1. I will then cross multiply. S times 1 to give s, 10 times this to give, I think we are going to have 100,000. 100,000. That is to say we are having 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros. Okay, and this s, we can still represent it in exponential form. Okay, it means that this one can be 10 power 5. That is to say, multiply 10 5 times, you are going to have 100,000. Okay, we have been able to get the two values for the unknown, which is the x and y. With that x is equal 10 power 5 and y is equal 10 power minus 1. These are the two values for these unknown, the two unknown we have in the equation, which is x and y. And please don't forget to follow me up on the page, the Jump Online Mathematics, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mathematics Science Mega Tutorial. All the best.